We don't make wooden boats like this anymore, except on special order. The state-of-the-art in boat building these days is the molded plastic boat. The basic form of the boat is a sandwich construction with a layer of glass fibers in resin on either side of a core material, either in foam or honeycomb core, the purpose of which is to separate the two layers of fiber and make a very stiff sandwich type structure. Two molds make a boat. One forms the shape of the hull, and the other one is a mold that forms the internal structure of the boat. We call that the pan mold. And then we go right in with the cloth and wet that out with the resin. And then we put down the core material, either the foam or the honeycomb. In this case, we saw foam going in. Once the core is in, then we go on top of that with a plastic bag, really, that we apply a vacuum to form clamping pressure throughout the mold. It takes approximately 4 or 5 hours for the resin to begin to cure. Tomorrow, we take off the bag material and the other ancillary stuff, and we go right back on top of the foam then with the second, what we call the second layup, is the second layer of fabric to form the other side of the sandwich. Pan undergoes exactly the same process. Then we part the pan piece from its mold and assemble it to the hull part in the hull mold to hold the structure. And then when that has cured overnight, then we can part the boat and finish it and rig it. Once the boat's parted from the mold, we clean up the edges, do some sanding, get it all ready to go, and then start rigging, which consists of putting in the tracks for the rolling seat and the foot stretchers, bolts for the riggers, and then pack it up, and it's ready to go.